What's the meaning of August bank holiday? August bank holiday. August bank holiday.
August bank holiday. August bank holiday. The August bank holiday is a public holiday that is observed annually on the last Monday in August in the UK and Ireland. This holiday was first introduced in 1871 as a day of rest for bank workers, but it has since become a day to celebrate the end of summer and enjoy a long weekend with family and friends. Many people use this time to travel, attend festivals and events, or simply relax and unwind before the start of the new school year or work season.